I hope you all know what is a visitor visa, and I don't need to explain you what is a visitor visa. But in Canada, visitor visa is little different from the other visas. Uh, it's not like that. Most of the countries, say any country in Europe, if they are granted you a visa for 6 months, then there is a starting date and expiry date. So generally, you need to come back from that country when the expiry date of visa is over. But in Canada, it's not like that. Canadian people and government, I feel, is much flexible and kind from the other governments. Canadian visitor visa is the entry visa. For example, right now we are in August, and your visa got started from say 1st of January, and it is valid till 31st of August. So if we go by global rule, then you need to leave Canada by 31st of August 2020. But in Canada, it's an entry visa. If you enter Canada before August 31st, 2020, you are good to stay for 180 days. 180 days are generally 6 months. There is no problem, and you can stay here for 180 days. Doesn't matter your visa has been expired or not, you are entitled to stay here. And CBSA officers will CBSA is Canadian Border Service Agency. So CBSA officer at the airport will ask you for how many months you want to stay here, and then you simply say that I would like to stay for these many months, and you can stay. Another important thing which most of the people do not know about Canadian visitor visa, say your mom or dad wanna come and visit you, they are more than welcome to stay and come and visit you and your family. Say they wanna visit, or they wanna stay for more than 6 months. They came to Canada in August, they stayed for next 6 months, and still you want to extend their stay. You can legally extend their stay. That is called a visitor record. Like, you just simply go online and you apply for their extension. You need to provide a valid reason, that what is the reason you want to provide, why they want to stay with you. You can write a supporting letter that maybe you need some more support of them to get settled in Canada, or to help your family, whatever reason you feel like, but you need to give a supporting letter. You can write that letter and file their visitor record. Generally in 10-12 days you get the visitor record at home, like get approved, and they can stay till the validity of that visitor record. Visitor record is very much legal in Canada and to stay in Canada. It's not legal to travel outside Canada or come back. That is just for staying in Canada. If your visitor record, say you ask the visitor record for next 6 months, they can stay in 6 months, more 6 months, like for visitor record what you ask, they stay, then they leave Canada. And if they want to re-enter the Canada, they have to have another visitor visa, not the visitor record. Visitor record is very much good to stay in Canada. So many young families does that they invite their parents for helping them in taking care of their kids. That's completely okay. That's your family matter, and you can do. And say you need more help to take care of your kids, you can apply for the extension of their visitor visa, which is called visitor record. It is just not for 6 months. It depends on the how much time you need to help them, or how much time you need their help, and then you can apply their visitor record. I will share the link also on CIC website where it is written. Don't worry, it's totally legal. Okay. So this is the Canadian government website, guys. I will definitely share this link in the description box. You just need to go to this link, and this is all about visitor record for temporary resident. Like, the people who are coming on visitor record, they are temporary residents. So you just need to go down, and you don't need to read all this. This is a lot of information about temporary resident because it is issued in many things, but you need to go here in Canada applications. So if you will go through, a foreign national may apply to extend their temporary resident status beyond the initial period granted for their stay by a BSO. BSO is Border Security Officer at the POE, port of entry, or by a previous in Canada extension. So definitely this line says that you can apply for that, and a foreign national applies to extend their stay in Canada Foreign nationals are the people who are not Canadian citizens or permanent residents. So a person who is holding a visitor visa definitely is a foreign national. They can extend their stay. So it's written on Canadian government website. It's very much legal, and you need to meet the eligibility criteria. So definitely you have to give the supporting documents as I mentioned, and you need to meet another eligibility criteria too. If you want to know more, you can go through this, but visitor visa can be definitely extended to a visitor record, and you need to apply that online, and this that then it's got legally extended. One more condition which you need to keep in mind is a temporary resident should apply at least 30 days in advance of their status expiring. So say your visa is expiring on August 31st 2020, you have to apply for your visitor record before July 31st 2020, because you need to apply it before 30 days of the expiring of your visa. Okay, so that's the another condition, and definitely you must have to pay the fee. Everything associated with some kind of fee. So the fee for visitor record is generally $100, 100 Canadian dollars. You need to pay that, and that's also paid online through credit card, or I believe by debit card also. So these are the few things. If you wanna go more about the eligibility, you can click on link. But definitely visitor visa holders are eligible to apply for a visitor record. If you still have some question, you know what to do. So, and if still you have any question about that, feel free to ask me. Thank you. Bye bye.